Hello guys, so today we hi Diamond. Hey Diamond buddy, wait, why are you brown? Or who pressed it? Oh, we are supposed to try to get to the top. Ouch. Oh my. I need a spotter. Please like and subscribe. We are 1 subscriber away from 200. I want to get to the top. Let's get as many subscribers as we can. So please like or subscribe. Yes. Rob the bank. I pressed the button. Got in. I died. Yes, I'm in the rainbow. Let me go. Ouch. What? Yes, I walked at the bank. Escape. I escaped. Yes, I walked at the bank. Me too. Yay. When is this gonna be over? Jeez, Remy, you're almost the richest player. There's a person named Mia.
Yeah.
But not Mia.
Like I said,
We're in space.
December of 2022.
Wait, I don't know what we're supposed to do. Are we supposed to get to the island? No. What's there, we Barbacino? You just died? I didn't die. Give me a star.
You get mail though, right? Who's to say it's not primary? What's the primary residence? 30 days out of the year.
Oh, hey, Remy, did you see that? I was so bored. No. Oh gosh. I know what to achieve. Yes. Ow. What is this? Gotta get to the top.
I think he used to have.
I don't know how to get to the top. Easy. I just used my zip pack. So, yeah. So, I need a zip pack. He's herself, man. Poor man. What is that? Oh, it's a torch. Remy, how do you get that? In chalk. Oh, there. Can you go 1,000? No Easter eggs. Hey, Remy, find the Easter eggs. Wait, I found one. I got it. Another. Oh, another.
That's an unlucky.
What's up? Like ours is right down the road here, like 2 miles. Not
Oh, I
like
got paper.
Look about the Easter eggs.
No. I was
Found one. I just found
Good
one.
job. Oh, I found a moon egg. Maybe we get monies if we find a Easter egg.
Hello. Guys, do you have your zip pack?
You?
But in order, the lady told me, in order for us to get started,
Wait, what?
Huh?
108.
Listen, you were voting.
What?
Sorry.
Gotta reach to the.
Oh, I know. Where's my zip pack?
No.
Oh, where's my zip pack? Oh, my zip. So I'm gonna get my zip pack out. I'm gonna get my zip pack out for it's already. Oh, I already have the zip pack. This is easy. This is cheating. Oh. No.
Huh? What the? I just
Put my zip pack
just
on.
have fun.
Put my zip pack. Oh, wait.
Ow, I'm in the floor.
So who do you,
Please.
how do you get taxes on from county?
Why did you trick me?
Yeah, it's in the town hall.
No,
Why you just tricked it?
no, I didn't.
Oh, it was all of the people you did.
Oh, wait.
Yes, yes.
We had to
Oh,
combine that parcel up there with this. They actually combined?
Boom. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da.
Oh my, yeah. Did I win?
Yeah, you did. Nice. Good job. press?
personal, in person, he's better at that. 'Cause
Yeah, I'm like,
Blue. Green. No. Blue.
before we go, say,
Ooh. Nice.
Who are you shooting?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Ooh.
listen to what the doctor's saying. And
Choose.
not just say, oh,
Say,
everything's okay.
which one are you choosing?
Chosen. Net.
I'm lucky. Coin.
Oh gosh.
Oh my.
We have bad weather, Remy. I repeat, we have bad weather. We're gonna die. I repeat, we're gonna die.
I repeat, we're about to die.
I found a spot.
It's on the bottom.
On the log. Doesn't know that she's here.
I said,
Yes, yes, and yes.
Did you press it?
Hit him.
Ow.
Football.
Ouch.
I'm punching now.
Alert.
I got blown up 3 times.
Chapter 2.
Every time you get back, we're back to bed.
Team up. Team up.
No.
Die. It was still die.
Yeah.
Dang it, let's do compete for friends.
I got it real bad at
Oh, I'm good.
Remy, we gotta reach the end.
Oh, I got this. This is gonna be easy.
Wait.
But if you don't get 100%,
I reached. Oh, you ran out.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Am I the only VIP?
What's this? I use my backpack to pee. I repeat, I'm
Pew, pew, pew.
No.
Pew, 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 pew.
No, whoa. Parkour. I found my parkour skills.
Yay.
Whoa.
Holy smoke.
Money. Oh. Wait, where's the puck?
There's a pumpkin monster. You're the pumpkin monster. Where's people?
Until somebody else.
I'm walking around. But I died.
Me?
Yep, I died too. I see you.
Alright, function not regard handicap. One of my previous coworkers. He was lifting weights and dropping barbell on me. And he's in the same boat as she is. And I'm like, so I could just lop off my finger and be like, it's service connected. We're doing something stupid. Isn't that weird? Like he's got traumatic brain injury from doing something stupid. And he's 100% with it.
Rescue the way.
You're moving really fast, Remy. You're like a penguin just waddling.
I died.
Oh yeah, because it became day.
Why we put the fight so loud?
Fire!
There's no fires here. Oh, I'm not that smart. How dumb am I?
Where are the fires?
I got an air buddy.
Oh, fire!
Get it.
Where's all of the fire? It's all because of Bob the kitchen.
Stand on to the button. Or just do that. We gotta die.
Why? Yes. I think I pressed it. But, huh? Yes.
Gotta.
What are you supposed to do?
You gotta.
What?
Cyan square.
So,
Wait,
both you guys okay?
I found it. Oh, wait, no. Oh, you found it.
I just beat it.
Do pink circle. Do you see a pink circle?
Let me see.
Oh, up there. Right? That it? Yep. Nice.
Are you my friend?
Coin. No.
Huh?
Oh, we gotta feed him.
We don't need ladders. We get the future pack.
But please like and subscribe. And why are we sliding down so slow? Yum, yum.
You know you can eat that stuff. There we go.
I almost had enough of it. I was like, why?
What?
Bam, bam.
Wait, what?
Watch out for the mummy.
Really, for what? I was
Oh,
like,
God, Bill.
1%.
Doggy Bill.
Less than 5%.
How am I put them over?
I don't know.
Mommy just gone.
There's already nobody down there.
I mean, yes, less than 5%, but that was a specialty. But if you go to, like, I don't understand college at all. If I go in for accounting, math, and accounting, you know, the electives, and he's like, well,
Oh wait, Remy, we gotta run!
13 years of school. I don't hardly remember a day.
How did I just die?
In school. Making diamonds. You gotta be
Oh!
that.
I died. Me too. So please like and subscribe, guys. We will really appreciate it. We are 1 subscriber away.
When you're new here, when you're not new, please subscribe. When you're not new, and please subscribe when you're new.
Okay, we gotta stay away from red chocolate piece.
Nope. Nope.
Hey. Oh! And I died.
Nope. 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 Oh. Nope. 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 Nope.
Ho ho ho. I'm surprised you're alive, Remy.
Oh, I'm on rock as well. Yes, I survived it. Oh!
Wait, is this a mysterious drink? I'll grab it. Nothing. Then nothing except for make my health low. Drink it, Remy. Drink it.
I can't, where is it?
Remy, right there.
Oh.
Just tap now.
Nope, nope. Nothing happened. Why did it? Nothing happened, Bryce.
Wait, you got fast.
Yeah, I'm very lucky. And I guess I'm very lucky.
How does this work? Oh, we're supposed to grab the correct color.
Freaking get a. If I'd known this, I would have gotten damn forklift certified.
Don't run, dude.
Lowe's.
No.
$3
Get yellow.
They
Yeah.
sit on it and move it from here to there and it takes 5 minutes.
Oh, he's gonna die. Bye-bye.
Guys, I tried to explain to me. But I tried to go.
It's not all you can have.
I'm trying to tear it down. Wait, listen.
Why is that girl yellow? Oh, we're supposed to slide it down. That sounds fun. Wait a minute. Oh.
Be like, you're coming with me. I'm instructing you.
Survive, Remy. Oh,
I'm very lucky.
oh, no. Oh,
Nope.
oh. Die.
Oh my.
Wait. Hey, yo.
Oh my.
He wanted to be in. He was He's even talking to me.
Oh, no! No! You just died. You pressed the button.
Don't fall off and avoid the obstacles. Okay, Remy, you gotta avoid the obstacles.
Ouch.
I said avoid them, not touch them.
Bye, Benny. Brother, go make it big.
I'm good. Any worse?
Yeah. Yeah.
Under Armour and stuff, like long sleeve stuff. Well, I was training earlier. But I was
Yay, Remy. Me and this guy won. Oh, get away from me.
Nope.
Why does she have a rocket launcher? Can we even buy that? How did she get a rocket launcher? Must be just a normal hacker. They have.
No way.
No, you can't.
Wait, you happy?
Whoa! We became big, Remy. And we get a jump boost.
Probably have a lot more because they ROTC.
Stand still.
Uniform was so uncomfortable.
What am I put to do?
Now you're tiny.
Oh.
Nope.
That was easy. That was easy.
I agree. First try.
But I used my jetpack.
Oh, that's smart. Just stand on top of that pole. She's berries.
I said I also used my jetpack. That's kind of fun, right? No, good.
Vacation! Yay!
I pressed it.
Definitely a big yay!
Normal bacon.
Goofy monkeys! Definitely don't want to kill monkeys! Yay! So fun! So fun! Yeah! A vacation is so fun! Yay! So fun!
people are.
so
Oh,
fun.
you're military.
Okay.
Like I told them,
Ki-
you know, the guys across the street and the town hall,
Oh,
or the
this is
town garage.
Nope.
Try to military.
I'm not being grilled.
But I'm going to.
I'm not getting over here. Nope.
I know John now is
Oh, yep. And nope.
Ouch.
runs the road. Just gotta let him get. I'll hire you.
John.
I was like, yeah, no,
Turn.
Oh, right behind me.
because I know military people have this.
Don't you
I was
even.
like, well, be careful what you're saying there, because not every military has discipline.
I spied.
How am I?
How am I doing that?
Oh, present.
Presents.
People, please.
You sent there.
Just hired a 79-year-old for a police officer.
Yay.
Why would you not send anything to Brown? Who's Brad Fox?
Warm weather. How did you get home? I think
Hey, Remy, we gotta stop the fire.
I was like, lot of Sunday stuff. Person. Well, not even focus, but person.
No, I died. I like being big.
Oh. This is easy.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.